We have Audi Q5 customer's headlight gone bad on this side. We already did it. We're going to do it on the passenger side because he wants to match the color. The first step you're going to do is there are plastic clips on top of it. You're going to push, these clips come out. There's a whole bunch of them. Once you have it out, you can remove this top cover. And once you have those covers off, you can access the screws for the headlight. There is three of them, two on the top and one all the way down behind the headlight. And if you need to change out the ballast, you can access the ballast here. So once you have it out, this headlight is not going to come out. We don't have to take it out. We're just going to have a little access in the back so you can grab this locking clips. So you just pull forward these metal clips, you pull it away. Can you do that? You just pull up and the top cover, then back cover comes out. Okay. So if you need to take the headlights off, you're gonna have to take the bumper off. But if you have to change just the bulb or the ballast, just pull forward a little bit. You have access in the back, and there is a D3S HID bulb right here. We're going to take that out. Pull that out. You're going to disconnect that harness. And then you have a new bulb. We put 6K. The number is a D3S, so be sure to get the same one. Easier if you plug it in first, then put the bulb in after that. It's a little cutout. Be sure to put it in correctly. Inside, there is a ring on it. You're going to turn counterclockwise. If you try to put the bulb in without turning that ring inside, it's not going to go in right. Okay, so without the bulb, there's a clip there. You're going to turn counterclockwise like this. Put the bulb in, turn to the right to lock in place. This bulb will not go in if you don't turn that ring inside of a hole to counterclockwise. And after you put the bulb in, you turn to the right to lock in place. Works. Alright, let's put this cover back on. Let's cover back. bottom side. There's a cutout to slid in. Close it up. Put the metal rod. It's not in. This is not in. Good. And put these 3 screws back on. We're good to go. So 2 short ones go on the top. 1 long one goes on the back. There is a little cutout. You got to push it down, lock in place. And push this one pin upward. That's it.